This is at the Drury. Traction.
Seventh floor.
Wow. Quick. I think these are early. Yeah, these are definitely early Gen 2. And they're chatty too. I like these. I like these earlier Gen 2s. Honestly, I like them better than the new ones.
First floor.
Blend on 7.
Going up. Please stand clear of the closing door.
Nothing was in the way, but okay. It's gonna yell at me, I guess.
Seventh floor.
Anyway,
Going down.
that will be it. This is actually a really nice hotel. I like this. And we'll get a quick view of both the view. Here's some other hotels. And I'm gonna film those next. And that's all.